As a young Daniel, I liked exactly one song. Burnout is not just a word, it creates real damage. When this power of the comfort zone breaks down and people are not able to be replenished.
Through the simple decision to be a friend, you can help somebody else believe that they are good. You can give somebody the courage to go through life knowing that they don't have to do it alone.
A little bit of time to listen, a little bit of time to offer some empathy, you can make a real difference for the people in your organization or the people that your organization serves. Remember that idea of finding your why. That's where your strength is going to come from.